This dance is called Amame. It's a 64 count, 4 walls. There's no tag, no restart. Let me start with section 1. Section 1 starts with your right. Behind, side, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, sweep. Section 1 again. Behind, side, cross, sweep. Cross, side, behind, sweep. With a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Rock back, recover. Rock back, recover. Side chassé. Side chassé. Rock back, recover. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. And another quarter turn to your right. So, section 2. Rock back, recover. Side chassé. Rock back, recover. Quarter, quarter. So, section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Step, lock, step. Step, lock, step, lock, step. And a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Section 3. Step, lock, step, lock, step. Rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. Do a pivot half turn to your left. Pivot half turn, step and turn. Over here, you can do 2 walks or a full turn to your left. So I will demonstrate with you 2 walks. Walk, walk. Do a rock, recover, a back coaster, back, together, forward. Okay, section 4. Pivot half turn, walk, walk. Rock, recover, back, coaster. Section 4 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 5. Big step to the left. Big step to the left. Drag your right in. Weight still on the left. Do a rock forward, recover. Rock forward, recover. Side together, quarter. Section 5. Big step to the left. Big step to the left. Drag in. Rock forward, recover. Rock, recover. Side together, quarter. Section 5 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 6. Rock forward, recover. Rock, recover. Side, touch, side chassé. Section 6. Rock, recover. Side, touch, side chassé. Section 6 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 7. Do a half full turn unwind. Cross over, unwind full turn. Unwind full turn. Do a rock, side rock, recover. Cross, side, cross, shuffle. So section 7. Cross in front, do a full turn, unwind. Unwind. Side rock, recover. Cross, side, cross, shuffle. So with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I do one more time. When you turn, it's 2 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section. rock back, recover, rock, recover. Pivot half turn to your right. Step, pivot half turn. Do another half turn to your right using your left foot back. Step back and sweep. Let me show you again. Section 8. Big step, drag, rock, recover, pivot half turn to your right, another half turn to the right using your left. Turn and you sweep. So with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you start the dance all over again. So let me show you the whole dance with the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3,